Alright, still in the second hive. Look at that. Isn't that great? This right here is a wax moth larva. And all that right there. So that's not a good sign. I see bees down there though. So I think having these, it allows these critters to get on top and basically be left alone. Alright, so I'm just taking this off. I'm not going to pull that off. I am going to give these guys both Pro Sweet winter feed, or Pro, as I call it, Pro Sweet. It's Pro Sweet syrup or Pro Sweet or Pro winter feed. Not a ton. Let me grab I don't think I have. That's a Swiffer sheet right there. I can use these. All right. All right. Put these in my pocket. I used to carry vegetable water with me, but for those traps. So watch closely. I'm looking down there. This is a 1.5 gallon feeder.